Don't
out
Can you connect me here? Can you connect me?
to return Nigeria to the path of real democracy.
Oh,
Have you heard it?
Yes.
We have lost our democratic way. And Nigerians are tired of these masquerades who call themselves Democrats, led by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who obviously has lost complete control of the Nigerian nation and has left the Nigerian people in misery, either by negligence or by his own conspiracy. When I mean his own conspiracy, what Tinubu and his people are doing to Nigerians is even worse than what bandits and terrorists are doing to Nigeria.
Yes.
And we are no longer pretending that we can't continue like this. And one of the things we are going to be asking for is for Tinubu to resign if he cannot continue in the illegitimate position he took in 2023. And that is why we are back on the streets on June 12, 2026, some 33 years after a watershed election was held by Nigerians and was truncated by the military. The military man who truncated it is in Mina. But what has happened and what we have discovered is that Tinubu was probably part of the people who truncated the 2023 elections. Because by his conduct, he has not behaved like a Democrat.
Exactly.
And I'm an example of it. That in 2026, I still get clamped into detention for speaking for the Nigerian people. I still get tried in all these their foolish courtrooms for calling a criminal a criminal. And our people have had the worst experience in the democratic life of this country. As we speak, a lot of school kids are in kidnappers' den. Their parents are in kidnappers' den. Their teachers are in kidnappers' den. Policemen are in kidnappers' den. Soldiers are in kidnappers' den. Army generals, whether serving or retired, are all in kidnappers' den. And nothing is being done. And we woke up this morning to be insulted that he gave another speech. Now speech we go shop. So, as we have said, this march is to show that Nigerians are well and alive in making it clear that it's either we have a democracy or we don't have. And those of us who are sitting here are people who believe that Nigeria needs a revolution. And until such a time that we have a revolution, Nigeria has no way out of the situation it has found itself, or the situation into which this criminal political class has put it. So that's why we are here today, and the march will commence shortly. Our goal is to march through Abuja, so we'll be ready. And our march, hopefully, please get some strength. We end up at the Aso Rock Villa this morning. We know that they will bring in soldiers, but one day, if we keep marching, we'll find ourselves in the living room of Tinubu or anybody in power. Because Nigerians must keep pushing until we win.
Revolution!
Now! Revolution! Now! But primarily, we want to see an end to the kidnapping of our kids. And for the government to immediately ensure that everybody who is in kidnappers' den is released to reunite with their family. And while they wait to hand over power to us, that they do the needful. Thank you very much. Revolution! No. Revolution! No. Another challenge you.
Challenge you. Another challenge you. Another challenge you. Double challenge you.
Security issue.
Another challenge you. Another challenge you. Double challenge you.
Over borrowing.
Another challenge you. Another challenge you. Double challenge you.
All the corruption.
Another challenge you. Another challenge you. Double challenge you.
National Assembly.
Another challenge you. Another challenge you. Double challenge you.
DSS.
Another challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you.
Nigerian army.
Another challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you.
Nigeria police.
Another challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you.
Tinubu challenge you.
Tinubu challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you.
Revolution
Now.